Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop. Hey, we got something different today. I bought a short DC wiring tester, and I got it from Alsun, CE Alsun, and model number EM415 Pro. So EM415 Pro. So I'm going to try it out. This is the receiver, okay, and it comes in a nice case here. Let me make sure we got this thing centered up here so you can see it good. All right. So it comes in a nice case here. This is a transmitter, so we'll get this ready to go here. It's got a couple alligator clips, a positive and negative on this end. It's got the tone, off, and continuity positions on it. Comes with a little instruction manual on it. So what we'll do, first off, let's test the continuity on this thing. So flip it down on continuity. Don't need the wand for that. And let's check this out. See if we... Doesn't matter which one you put where. Put this on there and put this one on here. And hey, we got a green light. You see that light come on? There we go. So what that tells us is the current that goes in from this side through the light element back down the other side is good, and the light bulb's actually good. So so that's good. So we'll disconnect that there. We could also test it down here too. Put one there, and then watch for the green light there, and hook one there. Oh, got to turn the switch on. Ha ha! There we go. So there we go. We got continuity. Runs in from the black wire, the red wire, all the way through. And you don't need power to do this because it has 9-volt battery in this thing. Same with the receiver. You put a 9-volt battery in it. So you don't need a 12-volt battery to check wiring. You just need this to check from one end of the wire to the other. Like here, let's check this out. So, of course, on your vehicle, you're not going to be able to spread these two wires out unless you hook another alligator clip here with a long wire, and then you could do that if you wanted. Depends on the situation and what you're trying to test. But right now, let's just test this this wire here. Like I said, it doesn't matter which wire. Okay, so the red wire there, and the other end of this wire length here is right here. So let's see if we have continuity all the way through on this wire. And we do. Let's test the black wire. Black wire. There we go. So so now you know there's no breaks in this wire from one end to the other. So that's good. Now another way you can test this, say like on the vehicle, it's with the probe. the probe. Got to have a DC 12 volt probe. And this thing's bendable, you know, you can go around stuff, so that works too. So this here you turn it on. There's a switch here. You turn it on, and bump it up about halfway. And you hit this button here. You hear it, right? And we're going to test the continuity, or we're going to test the tone on this. Put it on tone, right? Hook up, we'll use a black wire on this. And hook it here. And then we're going to go from here down to here, all right? You see how it tells you where you're. It tells you where the wire ends with this. And then you have your long wire here. Do the same here. Let's put it on the red wire here. We're going to check out the red wire. There's where it ends, right there. So there you go. So if you have a break in that wire from here down to here, we could do that right here. Let's see. Let me let's just cut it, one of the wires here. Just dive into this here, right about here. All right. Now let's try it again. You can hear it. You can hear when it, I don't know if you could hear it on there, but you can hear when it, let me turn this down a little bit. Hear that? It tells you where your wires broke at, okay? So as soon as you hear the drop off of the tone, you know that's where you have an issue at, all right? So anyway, that's how it works. And this thing will read through structure, carpet, on a car, you know, wire bundle that, you know, is completely wrapped with tape from one end to the other. This will work. You just have to have one end of this hooked to the wire you want to check, you know. Hey, also on this probe, you can plug in a headset to so you don't hear the annoying beeping. So I'm going to test this out for myself. You won't be able to hear it, but I'll let you know how it sounds. Turn it on tone. Hook up the black cable to the red wire and see how it sounds. Yeah, it works good. You can hear the drop off a lot better with a headset plugged into the bottom there. Works good. Okay, so that's how you use the probe, the All-Sun automotive and short and open wiring connections, and then also the transmitter for setting your tone, so you can use the probe, and or setting it on continuity so you can check your loop in your wiring. Okay. So, you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and if you like, give me a like. Thanks.